Pump truck, yeah, I need to check that one out. It's Black Diamond as well as Uline, so it's probably pretty sweet. I think it's way narrower. Cool thing about Uline is it's like, it can be like 20 feet wide on some of the banks where you could take them like crazy expert level, or you can go real down low in the pocket where it's real safe. So we're gonna drop in just right to our little charge spot, and then it'll freak it. Yeah, I need to charge for a while right here. So maybe 20 minutes. Okay, kind of stoked there's not a big group. My new charge spot's down here, so I'll just actually drop in. I know, but there's gonna be like 100 people here at any moment, so. No, I'm just going to the new charge spot. It's like right down here. And you can get a good look at you can get good pictures of people coming down. Move that rock out of the way. It's mainly about hiding the board. Mainly.
People care, you think?
They care a little bit. Here, let's set this up.
Sure.
Oh, you deserve it. Well, okay, so. I thought I could. Alright, I can't
That would be good footage.
Oh, you guys are here. You could film me doing it. That was any better. Sorry guys, I was trying to make like a community. Community back. I'm gonna plug this in. Yeah, the Chai battery sketched me out a little bit. It's pretty expensive, and Dustin has had, he's got his BYOB, which he's kind of like, he doesn't like the, oh god. He doesn't like that he's got so many parts to it.
Yeah, is it heavier?
And his pint BYOB, well, you got to carry more parts, so maybe it's not that much heavier, but it's more awkward. But his pint BYOB has just crapped out on him, I think, the 4th time, and he's had to ship it back 3 times already. So, well, he has the Qi BYOB. There's 2 versions, the BYOB or the board bank, where it's all in one. I, at the last second, was like, you know what, the all-in-one makes more sense to me, because you're getting a fresh battery rather than having 3 like unknown quality, unknown batteries, and then having to source these batteries which you can't like even buy new, and if you do, they're like 400.
Yeah.
If somebody had one.